Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this season we are talking about cross stitch embroidery designs, a beautiful, relaxing and creative art form that people around the world love. Whether you are a beginner or someone who already enjoys stitching, this video will give you simple idea and inspiration to make your next design truly special. Let's get started. Cross stitch is one of the easiest and cleanest forms of embroidery. You only need a needle, thread, fabric and a pattern made of tiny X-shaped stitches. What makes cross stitch so enjoyable is how each small stitch slowly builds into a full picture. It feels almost like painting but with thread. The first design idea is floral patterns. Florals are the heart of cross stitch because they always look lively and colorful. You can make simple single flower like roses, daisies or tulips, or you can create a full boutique. Floral borders also look beautiful on tablecloths, cushion covers and wall frames. Using light and dark shades of the same color gives your flowers a natural 3D look, and it's very easy to do. Next, let's talk about geometric designs. These are perfect for beginners because they use repeated shapes like square, diamonds and triangles. You can pick 2 or 3 colors and create beautiful patterns for posters, bookmarks or even phone covers. Geometric cross stitch is clean, modern and very satisfying because the shapes fit together perfectly. Another very popular category is cultural and traditional designs. Many people love stitching patterns inspired by their heritage like synthetic borders, flock, art motifs or regional symbols. Their designs look amazing on shawls, cushions or frames, wall pieces. Adding bright colors make them stand out even more and give your home a warm handmade look. For those who enjoy modern design, minimalist cross stitch is a great choice. These designs use stitches and simple shapes or to create clean, stylish pattern. A single leaf, a smart heart you can make. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.